In our previous videos, we set up the basics of our chat app in Flask. In this series, we want to expand that functionality. And the first thing we want to do is to see what time the message was sent. We want to add a timestamp. Currently, as we can see from our app, whenever we have a conversation, no timestamps are being added. If I open the application here and start a conversation, so Aaron is going to say hi, and the message just appears. It's a sign of loneliness, but I'm going to have a conversation with myself and respond from Yoni, who also says hi. But we can see that we don't know what time those messages were actually sent. To add a timestamp, then on line 2, we need to import the datetime module from the datetime library, which is a built-in module in Python's standard library that allows us to work specifically with dates and times. So on line 10, I'm going to create a new variable, now equals datetime, and I'm going to use the strftime method. The strftime method takes a datetime object and then converts that to a string according to a given format. So what I need to do then is provide a format, and that's what we're doing in the brackets here. %, capital H is for the hour in 24-hour format. %, capital M is for the minutes, and %, capital S for the seconds. I also need to add the now method here, because that's going to get the current time and just correct some typos. It's strftime. Then on line 11, I'm going to add some brackets with some curly brackets inside, and then add the now variable that we've just created. I have two other typos I need to correct. Now is a method, there shouldn't be a full stop there, and I'm just calling my variable now. So if I carry on this lonely conversation with myself, then Aaron says hello, and now we have a timestamp. Yoni will respond with hi, and we can see that the number of seconds has advanced. As I carry on talking to myself, the time changes on the timestamp, so we can see what time the messages were actually left. Very good. So this is working as expected. In our next video, we're going to tidy things up a little bit by adding an index.html page instead of just returning a welcome string.